On this episode of Justin and Chill, we're going to be stretching. That's right, stretching. Stretch. If you don't stretch, you pull your muscles. It's a recipe for disaster. And it's simple and it feels good. And if you're tired and you don't feel like working out and you're not like, do the stretch. I do the stretch 4 mornings a week. It'll take you half an hour, and I'm telling you, you're gonna feel like a $100 bill. So get off your lazy and let's get to it. Okay, so first stretch. Put your hands straight down like this in front of you. Feet back like this. You wanna keep your knees straight. Push your knees back this way and keep your heels on the ground. And just sit in it. Just sit in it. Keep your heels on the ground. And if you want to go harder, if you want to go even harder, you walk forward. Right? Boom. Right? Then we follow through with this. Ooh. Man. You want to shoot your face straight up. And you want to touch the ceiling. And then we come back. Catch your breath. Do whatever you gotta do, but just relax. We go to here. So with this, it's important to cross your leg directly in front of you. Now we're gonna just come forward. Like this. Now if you can't go all the way down, just find it. It's so important. You have to find where that burn is, and you just have to breathe into it and focus on it. And over time, that burn, it will go away. Right, so get all the way down, boom. Do the same thing, this leg. All right. I like to use my hand to sort of keep my heel in place sometimes. And we just come down like this. All right, like I said, if you can't do it, just do it like that. Doesn't matter, you gotta feel the burn. This is hard for some people, okay? So you're gonna come back like this. When we come back like this, what we're doing is the top parts here, we wanna stretch these guys out. All right, you're gonna make sure your heels are on the outside of your butt, okay? We're just going to slowly, some people can't do this, but that's okay, I can. I've been doing this for 3 years. Slowly come back, right? Boom, we go all the way back like this, right? Now what's really cool is if you push on your heels like this, ooh, sometimes you can pop your back, which feels awesome. Now what I like to do from here is I like to come across, line my elbow up like that, right? So we're straight, we're dealing with these lines here. Ooh, and I come over, boom, like this, just to get that twist. I just gotta grab the fist here and pull in, okay? We're gonna do the same thing on this side, right? Boom. Ooh. Same kind of thing, but we're stretching, like I said, we're stretching this part out. We go like that. You gotta make sure your hand is in the opposite as your leg. And then you just pull this guy. Boom. Same thing here. These are the ones that people really don't like, but you gotta do them. So stop crying. We're gonna start, we're gonna cross our leg like this. Pow. Okay? This is to keep the knee on the ground. We're gonna try and touch this foot. This one sucks. I'm not gonna lie, this one sucks. But it's a necessary evil. And we come in. Touch Touch your forehead to your shin if you can. Alright. Boom. Same thing here. Okay, we come in on this leg. Try and touch your nose to your ankle. Okay? This one sucks and you're gonna feel it all up here. Now the goal here is you wanna try and touch your forehead to your knees. You wanna keep the backs of your knees on the ground. This is a good one. This is gonna help your posture. You're gonna walk straighter. You're gonna feel like you're taller. You probably will be taller by like an inch. Right? So now if you can't come all the way around, start here. Okay? Start here. Right? Grab the back of your calves. You wanna hold these positions. Okay, that's another thing. You wanna hold them. And you gotta breathe into them as you hold them. Okay? This one's the worst. Ooh. You gotta touch your head to your knees. Now, just to get even more through here, what we're gonna do, boom, we're gonna roll back. Oof. You should feel this all the way up here. Now when you roll back down, you want to do one vertebrae at a time. Bup, 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 like that. You want to come back and use your hands to position yourself. Come back slowly. Okay? And breathe into it. Boom. And just relax. Just rest here. Because this is a good spot to be in. Try to imagine your spine just flattening out. Flatten the curve. That's what we're doing here today, people. Flattening the curve. Pew! Now we're gonna work another part of the legs, okay? Just stick your heel out. Try and push your head in. You're gonna feel it all throughout under here, okay? Put both your hands on either side and try to lean into it. Just lean into it. Same thing on this side, okay? One hand here, one hand here. Just lean into it. Just lean into it. You know, if you can't do the splits, just do them as best as you can. Alright? Got hardwood floors, so my feet get sticky. So, I've got to put on socks. Okay? Just slowly. If this is as far as you can go, then go this far. Guess what? A year from now, you're gonna be a lot farther. If you keep doing this. But if you complain for a year, then you're gonna be exactly where you started. And you just slowly bring it down. Slowly, slowly. Right? And now we're just gonna sit in this position. And we're just gonna breathe. And think about what we're gonna do today. We got a whole workout ahead of us. I hope you're ready, now that you're all loosey-goosey. Alright, well there you have it. That's the stretch. It's not too crazy, right? It's not bad. You can do this. The idea here is we're trying to establish a discipline. 4 days a week, no matter what. I am doing this. It's gonna make you feel amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also stay tuned for the workout video that will follow. 4 days a week, very simple, with things in your own house. It's gonna be very easy. So stay tuned. Anyway, much love. I'm out.